Hi, I'm Greg Painter. I'm the owner of FastSigns of Helena and also the producer of an exciting show called GraphicLabsTV. We just completed a really cool wall section in our production area using Texture Plus wall panels, and it came out awesome. Let's show you how we did it. I wanted to replicate an old historic landmark we used to have in Helena using Texture Plus wall panels and our Mimaki flatbed printer. Texture Plus wall panels are so easy to work with. Whether you're cutting 45-degree angles or cutting holes for the wall outlets, this stuff cuts like butter and you can glue or screw it into place. Here we're going to print a historic wall sign on Texture Plus wall panels using our Mimaki JFX200 UV LED flatbed printer. This is a state-of-the-art printer that prints on almost anything up to 4 feet by 8 feet and 2 inches thick. We're laying down a layer of white ink first, followed up with color. It uses LED UV lights to instantly cure the ink, so it's ready when you are. We apply some adhesive and then just drop the Texture Plus wall panels into place. One final measurement and this section is done. It's so easy to cut. You can't tell Texture Plus wall panels from the real thing, and we're hanging some more signs right on top for a finished look. So now it's time to assemble a 4 foot by 8 foot section on our Mimaki JFX200 flatbed printer and print this cool logo. We glue them into place with Texture Plus matching caulk. Once again, we lay down a white ink layer first to really make the graphic pop. Gotta love technology. These brick panels feature an interlock design and they are so realistic it's amazing. Here's the finished print. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Now let's get it hung on the wall. We then installed the remaining panels around the logo and the Texture Plus brick wall is finished. With the matching Texture Plus caulk, the seams disappear. Well, today we're going to do part 2 of our really cool Big Dorothy's wall. We're using the Texture Plus wall panels, and today we're actually going to be using the Texture Plus roof panel. These things are really cool, and I want to show you just how easy it is to work with this Texture Plus product. We're going to cut it, we're going to trim it. It's wonderful to work with, and it's a great product. Let's get started. So as you can see, I already have 3 Texture Plus panels in place, and we're going to be working on number 4. So we're just going to climb up the ladder and get a measurement, and I'll show you how we cut them out. Right at 31 inches it says, and the beam is 2 3/4, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut a 3-inch slot for this to give us just a little bit of breathing room. We're going to go ahead and set our table saw to 31 inches. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cut some Texture Plus panels. And I'm just going to cut right to the edge of this. I'm going to leave a little bit short so I can just square it off with the jigsaw. There. And I'm going to go ahead and shut off the table saw right now and let the blade come to a stop before we move the saw. There we go. Move our panel. And now we know we need a 3-inch cut in there. So we're 31 plus 3 is 34. We'll move the fence down to 34 and make another cut. Cuts just like butter. Cut about a 1/4 inch short, take up to the circumference of the blade, shut it off. And now we're going to take our jigsaw, square off the panel so we have a nice crisp edge. There's 1. 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and just use a jigsaw to cut off the square part here. We're just going to start on one side, radius the corner, go straight across the other side, and then we'll come back and cut it this way. pieces out, come back and square it up, just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and install our panel. Line up the slot. Look at that, perfect fit. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw 2 screws is all in this, one where this overlaps, and then one down there, and we're good. Right to the stepped edge. On over. Looks like we got 34.5. So now we're going to angle cut the little splice-it pieces, and we'll use the Texture Plus matching caulk to hide it all, and it's gonna look good. Good touch. Got an angle on it. Glue it all in. Voila. I'm really excited about our new wall we made with the Texture Plus wall panels. Looks like the real thing, and only we know just how easy and affordable it was. Fast and easy installation, and you can use it indoors or out, and saves money over traditional materials. Learn more about Texture Plus wall panels at www.textureplus.com.